In confined production environments, traditional transport solutions quickly reach their limits. This is because heavy machinery is often moved using forklifts, which require a lot of space to maneuver throughout the entire process. The POWER-Skate Duo doesn't need this space and takes a different approach. Two powered units work in sync, controlled by a single remote. Both driving units communicate with each other to ensure the movement sequences, such as all-wheel steering, crab steering, or position correction, are synchronized. Thanks to synchronized control, both units move in perfect coordination. Even tight turns and complex maneuvers can be executed precisely and under control, forward, sideways, or in place. Precise alignment at the destination is also no problem. The POWER-Skate Duo positions even large loads with millimeter precision, without time-consuming readjustment or repositioning of individual load skates. More control, less space required. Efficiently solve demanding transport tasks with the POWER-Skate Duo.